Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today I'm doing my Glossybox unboxing for you. I feel like before I get into this I need to kind of address this. I look like crap, I'm aware, no one needs to comment. Basically I've just got home from work and my 30-minute bus journey took like an hour and I had to stand and I look meh and I feel meh. And my Glossybox came today and I'm hoping it's going to cheer me up, so let's do an unboxing. Really was quite lucky with the December box. I think I was one of the few people that actually... Oh, sorry Gil, you want that? I think I was one of the few people that liked my Glossybox in December. If you haven't seen it, it's because I didn't put a separate video up for it. It is part of my Christmas vlog. It's over on Beach Life. So yeah, standard box, medium weight. Let's hope it cheers me up. Just I need a nice thing today. A nice thing. A little leaflet thing. Okay, looks like that. Not bad from first glance. Let's jump right in. The first thing I'm going to pull out is a Hask argan oil from Morocco. Been to Morocco, love it. Strengthens, restores and smooths dry, damaged hair. So it's a repairing deep conditioner. It looks like that. And it says, oh, there was a few different ones you could have. Repairing deep conditioning treatment. These are $2.49 each. So it's like a hair mask rather than a conditioner you just apply. A bit dry at the moment, so that could be useful, yeah. Hair mask, win. Next thing I've got looks strange. This is by Maybelline, the new Dream Blender. So this is a foundation blending sponge. Basically it looks like a tube with a beauty blender stuck on the top. I don't use a beauty blender. I use my fingers because I'm that old. That was how I learnt. Let's have a go. Like if I'm wearing heavy foundation, I would use a brush, but I never really get on with. Ooh, it looks weird. You see? It's like squidgy. What does it say? What does it say? Dream Blender Foundation Sponge. I will try a new beauty tool. So these are $5 each. This is a latex-free foundation blending sponge, delivers even coverage and a smooth finish. Simply use the side of the sponge to blend your foundation in circular motions. It's a beauty blender on a stick. Yay. Next item is by Avant. It is a Deluxe something acid face and eye night cream. That's the packaging. There's a Darwin. Yes, hello Baba. He's very excited by this product. Is it Darwin approved? It is, good to know. So this is full size and hello, yes. This is a full size, so basically it's a face and eye cream. Recommended retail £98. Hang on, am I reading that right? This is full size and it says recommended retail is 98 quid for 50 millilitres. I'm gonna have to smell it for that. Oh, and it's got a lovely... Okay, so obviously these are meant to be quite thick because it's a night cream. It's like... There's a light fragrance to it, but nothing too descriptive. Wouldn't be offensive to put on one's face. It's nice. That's quite a nice consistency for a night cream. It absorbs rather lovely. £98. 100 quid for a night cream. Well, I shall be trying that. I'll be looking very rested and relaxed, hopefully, by the next month's Glossybox using 100 quid's worth of face cream. The next thing I've got is a Redefined Facial Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. It looks like that. This is a deluxe mini, which is 100ml, which apparently is worth £13.31p. This is a foaming gel cleanser. Simply work the gel into damp skin in circular motions, gently exfoliates and removes your makeup. If you heard Gilly having a grumble, then I'm sorry. Let's have a smell. If I can get into it. I can't get into it. Oh, there's packaging. It's a nondescript, light, fresh fragrance, but yeah. And the last item is a Batiste dry shampoo. Dry shampoo and volume just to give hair show-stopping volume with plumping collagen. This is a mini or a travel size, depending on what mood then. Deluxe mini. I don't know what makes it deluxe. It's a mini, it's not full size. This is 50ml, it's worth a whole £1.50. It's dry shampoo. It's a good brand. Sometimes they smell a little bit different. Yeah, so no makeup in this month's Glossybox. I think I had 3 items in last month's Glossybox. I've said this before, I much prefer my beauty box to have makeup in it. You know, this will get used. This will definitely get used because, you know, there's certain points in the week where my hair has more dry shampoo than hair in it. So that will get used. I'm going to use this purely because it's 100 quid. And then, yeah, a cleanser and a thing. Sorry, I've got Gilly destroying cushions next to me. So yes, that's this month's beauty box by Glossybox. It's okay. I don't like it as much as I like December's. As I've said, I prefer makeup in my beauty boxes, but it's not bad. Is that fair? Is that me being diplomatic? I don't know. Let me know what you think about what I got, and yeah. I do feel a little bit cheered up, so it worked, I suppose. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.